Hi everyone, I'm Ray from ADLINK. Today, I have to introduce to you our software EtherCat solution. It's called SuperCAT. In the beginning, I have three highlights to you. The first, what are the benefits of our software EtherCat? The first, it can control 120 ASs in the central motion control. And the second one, it can pass the 125 microsecond EtherCAT control cycle. This is very powerful and fast for our customers for their application. And then finally, it's pure software. So you can see this is a generic embedded PC. And there's no card in here. Just you can see the two LAN port to connect for the EtherCAT device. And this one, this is EtherCAT I/O. The DI and the DO is very generic for the machine automation. And then the second one, this is a servo, EtherCAT servo. We control in the 125 microsecond EtherCAT control cycle. So from basic, we have two more master. We can connect one for the I/O, another one is for the motion control. And what is inside in the software or the platform? See here, you have the first code for the I/O control. This is show the I/O performance. And then the second one, you have another code to show the motion control. This is show the motion performance. And the final one, we are based in the Windows because we know most of the customers development their application in the Windows through Visual Studio. So we also understand the Windows performance in here. And that is all. If you have any question or any idea, please contact me and go to the ADLINK website and leave your message. Thank you.